Have you eaten anything yet today?
Not really. I skipped breakfast.
That's not good for your health.
I know, but I was in a hurry.
So what do you usually eat for breakfast?
Toast and eggs, sometimes fruit.
That sounds healthy.
I try to keep it simple. What about you?
I usually drink coffee and eat something sweet.
You really love sweets, don't you?
I do, especially chocolate.
What's your favorite food of all time?
Probably pasta. I can eat it every day.
With cream sauce or tomato sauce?
Tomato sauce, definitely.
I prefer cream sauce.
We already have different tastes.
That makes food conversations more fun.
Do you like spicy food?
A little, but not too much.
I love spicy food. The spicier, the better.
I could never handle that.
What kind of cuisine do you like most?
Italian and Japanese food.
Great choices. I like those too.
Do you cook often at home?
Sometimes when I have time.
I cook almost every day.
You must be a good cook then.
I'm still learning.
What dish can you cook best?
Fried rice and soup.
Simple but comforting.
Exactly why I like them.
Do you prefer eating at home or outside?
Outside because I like trying new places.
I prefer home cooked meals.
They feel warmer.
Maybe we can cook together sometime.
That would be really nice.
Have you tried the new restaurant near the office?
Not yet. Is it good?
It's really popular these days.
What kind of food do they serve?
Mostly burgers and grilled food.
That sounds tempting.
Do you eat fast food often?
Not too often. I try to limit it.
That's a good habit.
I used to eat it almost every week.
Did it affect your health?
A little. I gained some weight.
So you changed your eating habits?
Yes, I started cooking more at home.
Do you enjoy cooking?
More than I expected.
What's your favorite home-cooked meal?
Grilled chicken with vegetables.
That's very healthy.
I'm trying to eat cleaner these days.
What about you? Do you cook?
Sometimes, but I'm not very good at it.
What do you usually eat then?
Simple things like noodles or sandwiches.
That's still fine if it's balanced.
Do you like trying new foods?
Yes, especially foreign food.
Which cuisine do you like the most?
Korean food. I love kimchi and barbecue.
I love Korean food too.
Do you prefer spicy or mild flavors?
Spicy, without a doubt.
I can only handle medium spice.
That's still better than nothing.
Do you eat dessert after meals?
Almost always. I have a sweet tooth.
What's your favorite dessert?
Cheesecake. I never get tired of it.
Maybe we should go eat together this weekend.
That sounds like a delicious plan.
Did you eat breakfast this morning?
Not yet, I was running late.
You always skip breakfast.
I know, but mornings are so rushed.
What do you usually eat when you do have time?
Bread and coffee, sometimes eggs.
That's better than nothing.
What about you?
I always eat breakfast at home.
You're very disciplined.
What do you usually have?
Oatmeal, fruit, and tea.
That sounds very healthy.
I try to start the day well.
Do you feel more energetic after breakfast?
Definitely, it makes a big difference.
I always feel tired in the morning.
That might be because you don't eat.
You're probably right.
Do you ever eat breakfast outside?
Sometimes on weekends.
At cafes or street stalls?
Mostly street stalls.
I love street food in the morning.
What's your favorite breakfast street food?
Hot sandwiches and soy milk.
That sounds delicious.
I usually choose noodles or sticky rice.
You really like warm food.
Warm food is comforting in the morning.
Do you drink coffee every day?
Almost every day.
Isn't that too much caffeine?
Maybe, but I can't wake up without it.
I prefer tea.
Tea feels gentler on the stomach.
Maybe I should switch to tea someday.
You should try it for a week.
Maybe we can have breakfast together tomorrow.
That sounds like a great idea.
What do you need to buy today?
I'm going to the market after work.
Do you usually shop every day?
Fresh vegetables and some fruit.
That's quite often.
Not every day, about 3 times a week.
That really makes food taste better.
I prefer cooking with fresh ingredients.
Mostly the local market.
Do you go to the supermarket or the local market?
Yes, and the food is fresher.
Is it cheaper there?
Bananas, apples, and oranges.
What fruit do you usually buy?
Do you buy meat too?
Those are easy to eat every day.
What kind of meat do you prefer?
Sometimes, but not a lot.
That's healthier than red meat.
Chicken and fish.
Rarely. I usually decide on the spot.
Do you ever plan your meals before shopping?
That's very organized of you.
I always make a small shopping list.
I have the same problem.
Otherwise, I buy too many unnecessary things.
With someone, it's more fun.
Do you like going to the market alone or with someone?
That would be great.
Maybe I can go with you today.
What do you feel like eating tonight?
We can also buy something for dinner.
That sounds perfect after a long day.
Something light, maybe soup or salad.
Neither do I.
I don't want to eat anything too heavy.
And it's usually healthier too.
Cooking at home really saves money.
All right, I'll see you there.
Let's meet at the entrance after work.
Are you hungry? The street food stalls are already open.
Yes, I skipped dinner because I was waiting for this.
You really love street food, don't you?
I do. It feels more lively and fun.
What do you want to eat first?
Maybe grilled corn or fried chicken.
Both sound good to me.
Do you worry about cleanliness when eating outside?
A little, but I choose the busy stalls.
That's the safest choice.
What's your favorite street food snack?
Spicy noodles in a cup.
I like those too, especially on cold nights.
Do you prefer sweet or savory snacks?
Savory, without a doubt.
I have a serious sweet tooth.
That explains why you always buy dessert.
Guilty as charged.
Do you want to share some food or order separately?
Let's share. It's more fun that way.
We can try many things at once.
Exactly what I was thinking.
Are you okay with spicy food tonight?
Medium spicy is fine for me.
I'll order extra spicy for myself then.
You're very brave with chili.
Or very reckless.
Maybe a little of both.
Do you usually eat late at night?
Not often. Only on weekends like this.
Late night food always tastes better somehow.
Maybe because we feel more relaxed.
What drink do you want with your food?
Iced tea or sugarcane juice.
Sugarcane juice sounds perfect.
I'll go order the drinks.
I'll find us a place to sit.
This feels like a nice way to end the day.
Good food always makes life feel lighter.
I couldn't agree more.